Hello there, my name is Don and this is now the 13th video that I've uploaded in the last few weeks. So this one was a little bit different. The house that I made there, 10 Rillington Place, the Christie murder house, and a Dutch house and a French street, they're all made with cardboard. I tend to use 3mm cardboard as my main means of materials to use, and I know a lot of people use styrofoam. So I thought, well, I'll try. There was a special offer on my shopping channel for some sheets of styrofoam. Unfortunately, it was only 1 inch thick, or 25mm thick. So I didn't really know, unless you've got a hot wire cutter to cut it in half. I mean, one inch or 25mm is the equivalent of 1 meter, 3 feet. So I'm not quite sure what is 3 feet, unless you're building a cathedral. But one other thing I thought of was a German pillbox. So I had a look through the internet, and I came across that photo. It's a pillbox that's still standing close to Omaha Beach in Normandy. So I thought I'd have a go at making that. So I'll show you again this arrangement here. I made with cardboard. So that was the top part, and of course the steps at the bottom would be easy to do in cardboard as well, and then the styrofoam for the top. This would be a radius on there, and blocks, 6 blocks to hold this up. So I went ahead and I made that. So that's I intended to stop stage by stage to make different videos, but I got so carried away I just had to finish it. So I got to that stage and then gave it a coat of filler and water, just so that it gives a good surface to dry brush when I come to paint it. So that's basically the pillbox or gun emplacement. I just looked very closely at the gun inside there, and you can only see the front, so I didn't make too much of a, just as long as you can see the front of it there, and that will sit inside. And the gun is it's a felt tip pen. So I ripped a felt tip pen to pieces, and that will sit in there, and that in there. So that will be the idea when it's all painted up and finished. It would make a good diorama because there are grassy banks either side, and then a road in front, and then the very front would be a rocky outcrop. So this is the stage I'm at the moment. The worst part now is painting it and making it look concretey. So I'll get on and do that, and I'll be back in a moment. So there we go, finished the project, my Normandy pillbox. We've got the bullet holes and shell holes there in there, and the grassy knolls either side. So I think that looks reasonably good. So if you have any further comments as to how I went about making this, then please comment in the comment section below. There will be many more videos coming up. I've got a few ideas of things to do. This was my first venture with styrofoam, so maybe I will use the medium a little more. But until then, please subscribe if you like the video, and I will be back very shortly. So happy modelling.